I've been using Kajabi for about 6 years now. So, Kajabi is the all in one platform for your websites, courses, podcasts, blogs, coaching, community, funnels, marketing, events, and email. And that's how I run my business, and you can too. So, I'm going to talk to you now about the number one thing to do when you get your Kajabi. I have a 10-point blueprint for success that will tell you exactly step by step what to do to make Kajabi work for you and your business, even if you don't have anything to sell yet. So that brings me nicely on to point number one, the most important thing: set yourself up to get paid. You don't want to be in a situation where you've got a dialogue going on with a client. They're really interested in what you can do, what you can offer them, but you have no method of taking payment. So pay attention. These are the ways you can get paid in Kajabi, even if you don't have anything to sell yet. So, first one, set up a Teams call or a Zoom call. I've got a client who's a counselor. She's working on her course. It's not ready to sell yet. She's working on a community. And so what she does is she runs her counseling sessions on Zoom, on Teams, but she's created a checkout. Now, why would she do this in Kajabi? Why wouldn't she just do it in the traditional way? Well, Kajabi will take care of the invoicing for her. It will auto email the clients with the information that she's put in there for them. And it makes it really easy to export to her accountant. She's got all that ready when she needs it. And not only that, she can ensure that she is being paid before that session starts. No more messy chasing up of clients, phone calls, etc. That's all done. Second thing you can do, set up a coaching session online. You can actually use Kajabi's live meetings to hold your coaching session. Kajabi's got a coaching facility in there. It's one of the products, and you can run your coaching and charge for that. You can create a course. I think most people think of courses being the most traditional way of making money. So create your course. It could be a mini course, it can be a long course, and you can sell it in many ways. So when you've got one course created, you could sell it tier one, just the course itself. You could sell it tier two, the course and some group calls, and increase your price exponentially on that one. Tier three, the course and one-to-one calls with yourself at a premium price. So you can put in, when you've created your course, you can sell it in a one-time price. You can get people to pay in installments. You would normally charge more for that, so that the complete installment price is probably more than you'll buy it in full price, because you're taking a risk that they might drop out halfway through. You can alleviate this risk by dripping your content. So you could make it so that if somebody pays in installments, they get one module a month or whatever suits your content. You can give lifetime access to a product or limited access. So you could give access for a number of months, 6 months, 16 weeks, whatever works for you, or a higher price for lifetime access. You could give somebody the option to upgrade to lifetime access after they have finished with the limited access that you gave them. You can set up a course with a price point to pay for extra content. So you might give modules 1 and 2 for free, or for a cheaper price, a lower price. If you like what you see, you want to continue, then pay more and you'll get more content. You could set up a monthly membership where people pay an amount monthly for access to your material, and if they decide to drop out, they could drop out anytime they like, and they auto lose access to your content. You could set up a paid community where you can set challenges and you can encourage that community engagement. You could have a paid newsletter. You could do it in the sort of Substack model where people get a little bit for free and then they will pay. You can have paid downloads. So you could create books, ebooks, and people can pay to download them. You could have a paid podcast. you could create a private podcast in Kajabi, set up a checkout, and people can pay for that, and then they can have access to it. You can get paid in different currencies. So you could have a course that you sell in many, many different currencies to appeal to your audience, so that they can pay in the best currency for them, the one that gives them the best value. Or you could create a container that contains all of these things. If you've got a course and a community, and you could have access to calls in that, you could have fortnightly meetings, weekly meetings, monthly meetings, you could have downloads as part of that, you could have a podcast as part of that, and sell that for a premium rate. So there are loads of ways to get paid in Kajabi. That's the first thing I teach you in my group. My group is the Business Creators Community. If you get your Kajabi through me, you get this for free, because Kajabi give me a small commission for everybody who I bring in, and that enables me to do this work and support you for free. So if you like to download, first of all, my free 10-step blueprint for success, my guide, I'll pop the link in here.